You might be about to cry.
He could be 12. Why are you bullying a 12-year-old?
He's not 12, bro. Look at his avatar. It's like a Brisky avatar.
Isn't it? I didn't see it. I don't know. I imagine it like a 12-year-old.
What song is this? Does this feel the same?
Yes.
This is weird.
Very. It's from a mapper that I've never heard of.
Oh yeah, I played this with
Basically
Elena.
the same map.
What the fuck?
I hate this shit, bro. Wasa.
Should I public that?
What is... Oh, watch it right now. That map's insane. Can you only do it easy mode?
If I didn't use probably. But right now,
Let me
probably.
look at
God,
your
bro.
health bar.
How am I alive?
Then you should redo it.
Nah, it's too hard. At least for the near future.
Is there another hard part, bro?
I don't know. I'm
might,
picking
like-
at random. I'm getting nauseous again.
Okay.
Let
Take a
Look it
break,
up.
now the rest.
me get water. BRB.
Should we die to the quantum after passing like the hardest thing ever? Please be done, bro. Yo, bro, Ryan, this has to be the hardest thing I've ever done. That was insane.
Oh, is that feel the same?
Yes.
Custom?
Is this dog bite?
Yeah, but it's a black.
Isn't this like 5 or 4 or something?
It's 4, I'm pretty sure. No. I wanted to do this part. No.
Out. Ryan, are you watching?
Mhm.
What you doing?
Multitasking.
What's the
I
other
see some
task?
women.
True.
What? I'm on YouTube.
Open your third eye. You will believe the truth.
He has one eye on his left, one eye on his right.
2 eyes for a reason.
You're doing really good.
What the fuck did I just watch? How was that comeback?
That's one of my best passes, I won't lie.
That was really, really good.